to my channel. Oh yes. Yo, let's go. See! Please, hurry up. Yeah, a big good boy. Welcome back. Joke lang.
Welcome to your night shift
Mahimik
at
ka.
Shawarma Kiosk. Let's start with the basics.
Real.
1. Great.
Bukas na
Before
yung...
serving, be sure to read the safety rules.
Yes. Tumahimik ka na, please. Sino nagpatay ng ilaw? Para first time mo lang maglaro ng Ay, ubos na pala ang meat. Ay, joke lang, pinito meat. Kasi na ba yan? Tuturuan ko ito. Okay, serve him. Above this, serve him. Add sauce. Sausage. Joke lang. Tagal mo naman kunin. It's cute. It's cute. Uy, ba't yung ba kinu-close? Para kayong
I think that was funny, huh?
Yeah, it's not. Guys, kasalanan nyo yan eh. Kasalanan nyo yan eh. Tingnan nyo. You can serve... Ay, alam ko na. Pag sinerves natin siya, tatangkad na to sa ref. Joke lang. Nulat mo ako, pre. Ano ka ba? Lalabas ka ba?